I'm from Group 11. Today I will be presenting our DIY prototype project. The title is grain milling. This project focuses on designing a simple grain milling prototype to demonstrate how grain can be processed into smaller particles by using a mechanical principle. Grain milling is the process of grinding grains such as rice, wheat, and maize into flour or smaller particles. This process is important because it makes grain easier to cook and digest. Grain milling also helps produce many food products that we can use every day like bread, noodles, and cereal. In this presentation, I will explain what grain milling is, its benefit, and how it is done.
My name is Siti Nur Mazlani binti Yazid, Laboratory S76926. A hopper is the main input component in the grain milling process. It is a container or tank that holds raw grains before they enter the milling machine, serving as the starting point of the milling process. The primary functions of the hopper include storing sufficient raw grains, controlling the flow of grains into the grinder consistent, and uniform cooling and protecting the grains from contamination such as dust, dirt, and insects. Additionally, the hopper ensures that raw materials are always available, allowing the milling operation to run smoothly without interruption. The advantage of using a hopper include reducing grain wastage as the flow is controlled and grains are properly stored, increasing factory productivity by ensuring the grinding process is continuous and efficient, supporting the production of high-quality products because the grains are handled cleanly and consistently, and facilitating raw material management, making factory operation more organized and efficient. With all this function and advantage, the hopper is essential for smooth milling operation but also for improved quality of the final grain products.
The milling drum or grinding wheel is the main grinding component. It rotates and crushes the grain using friction and pressure. This process helps break the grain husk and produce products such as flour or meal rice. The shaft or axle support the grinding drum and allow it to rotate smoothly. It transfers rotational energy from the motor to the grinding drum. The belt transfers power from the motor to the grinding drum. It allows rotation without direct contact, reduce excessive friction, and help control the grinding speed. The motor or power source provides the energy to operate the system. It produces mechanical power that is transmitted through the belt, determining the speed and efficiency of the milling process. The screen of sieve separates fine flour from larger particles to ensure uniform product size. The blower or fan help move the milled product through the system and remove light dust.
The last part of the grain milling machine, output system. After the grinding process is complete, the product is discharged through a specially designed output button. This system facilitates product collection because the milling material flow in a controlled manner, reduce material loss, and improve higher and use safety. In addition, as a recommendation, every week processing factor operator increase the use grain milling machine as the simplify processing activities, improve work efficient, and produce more consistent product. In conclusion, a Swiss designer output system combined with grain milling machine ensure a more efficient and practical processing operation. In addition, grain milling provides significant benefit to farmer because it helps improve the value and management of agriculture product. First, grain milling add value to grain crop because raw grain can be processed into product such as flour with high market value. Second, it helps reduce waste because grain can be better processed and stored compared to raw product. Third, grain milling open winded market opportunities for farmers because they can supply processed product that meet industry demand. In conclusion, the use of grain milling help farmers increase income, reduce loss, and ensure sustainable agriculture product.
Next, I will continue to explain the importance of grain milling for society and all the stakeholders. Grain milling also holds significant importance due to its contribution to society and all stakeholders. Grain milling ensures a continuous supply of staple food such as rice and flour for daily consumption for society. It provides safer and higher quality food through proper cleaning and processing. By maintaining consistent production, grain milling helps stabilize food price. Overall, it contributes to improving the quality of life and well-being of society. The other importance of grain milling for all the stakeholders is through adding value to agricultural produce, enabling farmers to earn more stable incomes. It creates employment opportunities within the food processing and related industries. The industry supports national economic growth through local productions. Additionally, grain milling reduces dependence on food imports and strengthens national food security. In conclusion, grain milling is an essential process that transforms raw grains into valuable food products such as flour and milk rice. Through the combined function of the motor, belt, shaft, and milling drum, the system operates efficiently to clean and refine grains using controlled motion, pressure, and friction.
Overall, grain milling improves the usability, quality, and value of grain, making it a vintage process in food production and daily consumption.